Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp iPhone. Like many other apps, WhatsApp support dark mode. When on, dark mode changes the interface of WhatsApp to a black background with gray, white and blue text compared to a white background with gray, black and blue text. Dark mode offers less glare, make it easier on the eyes in lower light conditions, but it also uses less power. Here's how to turn WhatsApp dark mode. If your iPhone is running iOS 14 or a later version of iOS, however, dark mode is initiative from the phone settings rather than WhatsApp settings. To enable it, follow these steps. On Settings, tap on Display and Brightness. Then tap on Dark. You can also choose Automatic, which will automatically change your phone to dark mode when evening sets in. When dark is selected, it will enable dark mode across all the apps on your Apple iPhone. Dark mode can also be enabled from Control Center. On the Settings, tap on Control Center. Tap on Customize Controls or tap Dark Mode. Swipe down from the top right of your display on Face ID iPhones or up from the bottom on Touch ID iPhones. Then, tap on the dark mode icon. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.